We are pleased to show you the 2024 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals, compass. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.